Let's start with a quick quiz. What's the best type of interactive content? If your answer is quiz, you already know how engaging quizzes are. Let's start. First, you'll need FluentForms Pro to build a quiz that provides scores. Click on the Add New Form button to create a blank form. Currently, quiz-supported fields are name and email fields, date field, radio and checkbox fields, multi-select field, and quiz score to show the results on the confirmation page. More fields are on the way in future updates. Let's add some fields for our demo quiz and edit the fields. Now that your form is ready, make sure you have added the quiz score field from the advanced fields. Otherwise, you won't be able to display scores on the confirmation page. You also get the opportunity of selecting different score types. And our quiz form is ready, but you have to activate the quiz module for this form. Go to Settings and Integrations. In the quiz settings, simply check the Enable Quiz module. Enabling results will show the results on the submission page. Enabling Randomized question will make the question appear randomly every time someone reloads the page. Enabling Randomize options display random answers. Enabling the grade system will show the grades as scores. You can set the grades as you want. It can be excellent, good, okay, etc. Just set the minimum and maximum range of each grade. The next step is setting the score for each question. You can do that from quiz question. Define which question contains what score. And click on Save Settings. Now, let's set up the custom confirmation. Go to Fluent Forms Settings and then Confirmation Settings. Select how you want to display the confirmation type. It can be on the same page, or to a specific page, or even to a custom URL. You can even edit the message you want to show after the submission. You can use the text editor to customize the confirmation message and add images if needed. Click on the Add Shortcodes and insert the necessary information like user's name, quiz score, etc. on your confirmation message. You can either hide or reset the form using the After Form Submission setting. And our submission message is set. Now it's time for the form preview. Let's see how the quizzes work. Great! The form is showing the correct answers as well as the quiz scores. Let's change the quiz scoring form grade to point system. And see how it looks. See the magic? The quiz builder with score count is pretty amazing. Hope you will like this awesome feature. Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.